You're gonna love the 2017 Acura MDX. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the power, luxury, and superior handling of the MDX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control. See for yourself why the MDX is the best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Take a test drive today.